Good morning, friends. Welcome to the homestead. Hey, chickens! Well, it's what I hear people are calling Vlogtober, so figured I'd do a little vlog style stuff going on. Hey, chickens! Treats, treats, treats! Hi! Yes! We just finished a week of homecoming. It's been crazy. I'm gonna go there. You're probably sitting on some, aren't you? Yeah, just a few. I'll let you finish up. I'll get you some food first. Come on, me. With two teenagers in high school, we had sporting events, pep rallies, dances, homecoming game, along with volleyball games, practices. It's been nuts. Chickens, why are you getting out? I'm feeding you inside. I want your horses. It's right over here. Oh, these tube feeders work really well, but I think I need to build another one or two. My daughter just taking care of bunnies. Good morning.
Hi, chicka, chicka, chicka.
They kept flying up against the fence there.
And they broke it?
And they busted out, so.
Hi, chicka, chicka, chicka.
Hi, chickies. Come. All right. Bring it to me. Good. Okay. Okay. Good boy. Good girl, Daisy. See what we can do to take care of this fence. Sure. Hopefully hold it. Maybe I can get some tie wraps put around it.
Diana likes oats better than she likes food.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How are they doing?
They're doing good. Thor's a little skinny, so I decided to give him oats today. That is connected to that.
Where'd the dogs go? Cole! Daisy! Come on, puppy! Harvey! Come! There she is. Uh-oh. That's not good. Cole, come! You're not supposed to do this. Don't just run the muck. You get all yucky. They'll come back eventually. Bit of a busy week.
Hey, look, it's 10 degrees colder than
Daisy. Come. Okay. Cole! Come!
Where were you? Did you go across the street? What did you do?
You were bad. Bad. You don't go across the street and you don't take Daisy with you. You know better than that. That's one dog. Harvey! We haven't been having any issues with Harvey running off since he got fixed. But there he is.
Harvey, where were you? Where were you? Did you go across the street? Harvey, did you run amok? Did you take Daisy with you? You're bad. No, sir.
All right, now I need to make some bacon because we got to make soup. Don't worry, I'm not using soap, and this is not a metal bristle. This is a soft bristle scrubber. Probably find a utensil. Stop using my fingers for this. I'm so ready for things to be back to normal. So it's October. Cooler weather. It's been really nice. But it has been busy, and it's gonna stay busy. So we got birthdays, holidays, Christmas, fall coming up. We got to get ready for winter. Well, fall is here. We got to get ready for winter. So it's all kinds of things going on, but if we can stay healthy, which we've been struggling with, this whole past 2 weeks, it's been a mess. Yeah, and get some of the major things taken care of under our feet. We should be in good shape. Excited for hunting season to start back up. Maybe I'll make some time to make that important this year. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we got going on. But now I got to go get ready for church.
Mama?
Why are you doing this?
It's Vlogtober. You have to film everything.
No, you
I love
don't.
you. So I got a pound of bacon and another half pound going. Oh.
Don't be in the way.
Okay.
Be out of the way.
I'm gonna go take a shower. You gonna make soup?
Get out. Go. Okay. Go get ready and quit filming stuff.
Okay. All right.
See if I got enough flavor into it since it's not.
Silas?
Okay. Are we ready to go?
Yes. Everybody, please get in the car.
All right. Everybody in the car.
I'm gonna fill the church. Okay?
Yeah. Me first. Yeah. Good dogs.